Hello friends, welcome back. This is day 3 of day 5 of your 5-day breakthrough challenge. I'm so excited to be on this mission to help you become a pioneer and make you achieve a real breakthrough in your business in just 5 days. So in this day 3, we're going to talk about the next steps. Hopefully by now you have identified the challenges, overcome the obstacles, build some strategies, had some executions, take a leap, done the 10x things, and you've done the other things that we talked about earlier. If you haven't, go back to the earlier email or the link in the email and make sure you achieve those steps before you move forward. So today, the first step that you want to think about is not only just plan A, but plan B, plan C, plan D. Many of you only think about what is the best case scenario and what's the worst case scenario. When you only think about the best case and the worst case, you only think about 2 possibilities, but there's so many possibilities in between. So have a plan A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, as many as you can. And that's where you will achieve traction. That's where you will see something will stick out. And you want to have that with purpose. You just don't want to throw things at the wall and see what sticks. That's an old strategy. But on each strategy, have a purpose, an outcome, a strategy, a thoughtful strategy that say, okay, this might work. This may work. I believe in yourself. Step number 2 is to think about the connections and resources. You have to always think outside of yourself. Don't just limit the possibilities to what you know. Think about who you can connect to. Maybe you need a coach. Maybe you need somebody who can guide you, who can take you 100 steps faster and sooner, that, instead of you going through the school of hard knocks. And that could be, something that I could work with you. Second thing, think about the resources. What resources do you need? Do you need capital? Do you need money? Do you need people? Do you need people who are smarter than you in certain areas? We as a headhunter can help you find your dream come true employee in less than 30 days. And I have many videos and testimonials that I can show you that we have found a dream come true employee in less than 30 days. Step number 3, think about your capabilities, your skill sets. Maybe you lack in certain skill sets and you need to develop those skill sets. Maybe you need to step aside and give 30 minutes to an hour every day to build those skill sets. And in that capabilities, you also think about your overall structure. How are you structured? How are you organized? What's your organization structure? What's your work structure? What's your business structure? What's your business model? Think about all those things. And when you think about all those things, you work on the business and not in the business. So this is what will help you achieve a real breakthrough. And looking forward to seeing you tomorrow on this day 4 of day 5 to help you achieve a real breakthrough in just 5 days.